Sit comfortably on a chair or on the floor, as long as you keep your spine straight. Now place your forearms and hands on your legs, with your palms facing upward. Close your eyes and move your focus to your breath. Take long, deep, slow breaths in, focusing on your breath, focusing on it traveling down into the lungs. Slowly exhale. Focus on the exhalation. Visualize your breath leaving your body and taking with it all the stresses of the day. Breathe in. Focus on your breath. Visualize the breath being drawn deep into your lungs. And as it does, you become more relaxed, comfortable, and at peace. Breathe out slowly. Focus on your exhalation. Visualize your breath leaving your body, clearing your body of any tension, leaving you relaxed and at peace. Now, slowly move your focus to the base of the spine, to the resting place of Kundalini. Focus yourself at the base of the spine and on Muladhara, the root chakra. Visualize a small point of light beginning to emerge at the base of the spine. A small but radiant point of light. As you maintain your focus, you see this light expanding, its dimensions growing. You see it beginning to form a vibrant, circular ball of brilliant red. And as you breathe in, visualize your breath being drawn down your spine and into this brilliant red orb. You note that on each inhalation, the ball of brilliant and vivid red expands, glowing brighter and more vivid. You can see that Muladhara is opened fully. See the energy spinning in a clockwise fashion. See the vivid, bright, vibrant red of Muladhara pulsing, spinning, and radiating from the base of the spine. Now, take another long, slow breath in, focusing on the breath traveling down your spine and into Muladhara. Hold your breath. Now, slowly release the breath. As you slowly exhale, visualize your breath, now a vibrant, pure red, traveling back up the spine and exiting through the crown on the top of the head. Become aware that as you exhale this vibrant red energy of Muladhara, you are also clearing any blocks that have built up. You are releasing any old patterns and emotions that no longer serve your higher good. Again, take a long, slow breath in, focusing on your breath as it travels down your spine and into Muladhara. Hold the breath, and again, slowly release your breath. As you exhale, see your breath, a vibrant, pure red, traveling back up the spine and exiting through the crown. You are aware that as you exhale, the vibrant and vivid red energy of Muladhara is removing and clearing all blocks that have built up. You are releasing all old patterns, releasing negative emotions and protections that no longer serve you. Again, take another long, slow breath in. Focus on this breath as it travels down your spine and into Muladhara. Hold. And again, slowly release your breath. As you exhale, see your breath again, a vibrant, pure red, traveling back up the spine, exiting through the crown. You are aware that as you exhale, the vibrant and vivid red energy of Muladhara is removing and clearing all blocks that have built up. You are releasing all old patterns, all emotions, all protective walls that no longer serve you. Now, slowly refocus yourself on the center of Muladhara. See the vivid, vibrant, rich red energy spinning clockwise. Now visualize the vibrant, rich red energy beginning to flow down, spreading down through your legs, further downward. See the vivid red energy of Muladhara flowing down, out through your feet, and down, 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 deep into Mother Earth. See the beautiful, rich, red energy flowing into Mother Earth and spreading out in a fan-like pattern, forming the roots of a tree. See the energy of Muladhara, the base chakra, flowing through and down your legs, out through your feet and into the earth, sprouting strong roots, connecting you to Mother Earth. See the energy going deep, deep, deep into the earth, deep as if making you one with the center of Mother Earth, grounding you, providing the strength of the earth and connecting you to her, the Mother. Take some time to truly see these strong, rich red roots from the base of your feet spreading out deep, deep, deep into the Mother Earth. See yourself grounded, strong and protected. And then slowly bring your focus back to the center of Muladhara. Allow yourself some time to bask in this energetic purity of the Muladhara Chakra. Make sure you spend the time to enjoy this rich, vibrant red energy. And then, when you're ready, and only when you're ready, move on to Svadhisthana, the sacral chakra, or slowly and gently bring yourself back to the room and your physical self.